This is what's possible with Levo, a live growing website built end-to-end without developers. In this video, we're going to step inside Studio, which is where most of your actual design and website building work happens. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to create a site, what happens when a site is created, how the studio is structured. So if you're opening the editor for the first time and feeling a little confused, don't worry. This video will make everything clear. When you create a new page in Levo, the first thing you'll do is either start with a template or start from a blank page. Choose which type of page you want to create. Levo offers different page types such as static page, community page, event page, collection page, and blog page. Each page type comes with a structure designed for that specific use case. We'll explore each page type in detail later in the course. Now, let's talk about something interesting. What actually happens behind the scenes when you create a site? When a site is created, Levo automatically sets up several things for you. First, it creates the basic site structure, a CMS structure for your content. It will set your theme based on brand defaults and set up growth tools like forms and analytics. It's like having a developer quietly do the setup for you, but instantly. Now that we've created our first page, the next step is to understand the Levo Studio interface. The studio is divided into 4 main areas. Sidebar on the right, where you adjust design elements like spacing, colors, typography, and animations. Think of it as the control panel for fine-tuning your design. Second is Canvas, the main design area where you add and edit blocks to build your pages. Third is Themes. This controls the overall visual style of your site, including colors, fonts, and design settings, keeping everything consistent across pages. Fourth is Settings. Page-level options where you manage SEO details, like titles, meta descriptions, URLs, and other optimization features for search visibility. For this tutorial, I've created this template site to help explain the Studio interface. Today, we'll focus on 2 main parts of Studio, which is the Styles tab and the Canvas. Let's start explaining Studio interface by understanding the sidebar first. Sidebar is divided into 3 parts. First, content. You can make text or typography-related changes. Second is styles. Adjust layout, size, effects, spacing, and many more. Third is animations. Set animations for the entire page or specific elements. From the Styles tab, you can control how any block or element looks and behaves. On Styles tab, first you'll see the layout options. Here you can make hidden elements visible from this first tab, which is called Display tab. From this Direction tab, you can change the direction of any elements. Stacking them vertically or horizontally also can adjust their alignment and spacing. Use the Grid option to arrange elements in a grid layout using raw and column. With this Hide tab, to hide specific elements from design if needed. Once you start using these options, you'll notice how easy it is to control the layout. From this size section, you can adjust the width and height of any element or image from this panel. Next is the Effects section, where you can control opacity, shadows, borders, and border radius. These features help refine the visual appearance of elements. Then we have the spacing settings. Here you can adjust padding, which controls the space inside an element, margin, which controls the space between different elements or blocks. At last, we have background option. This allows you to add a background color, an image, and even a video to any block. Now let's talk about the canvas. This is where you add new blocks, edit them, and see all your changes in real time. Designers spend about 80% of their time on Canvas. It's the creative playground where your site comes to life. On the canvas, you'll also find a few quick tools. The pencil icon opens the sidebar. The security icon allows you to apply restrictions to pages. This Layers tab will open Layers panel. An Add Block icon lets you insert new blocks into Canvas from the Levo Blocks library. If you want to see how your design is looking on browser, click here and you can preview this page on browser. Finally, when you're happy with the design, hit Publish to make it live. For now, you should feel comfortable navigating the Sidebar, Styles tab, and Canvas. With this, you won't feel lost inside Levo Studio. In the next video, we'll explore Levo themes and learn how they control the overall visual style of your site. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make your brand go live with Levo.